In today's digital world, the manufacturing industry is evolving rapidly. With the integration of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, the industry is experiencing higher levels of efficiency. Hikvision offers innovative AIoT solutions, transforming safety, efficiency, and plant operations, and shaping a new era for manufacturing. Production safety is paramount. Hikvision utilizes AIoT technology to prevent accidents with early hazard warnings. For example, thermal cameras proactively monitor temperature abnormalities to prevent fires and safeguard facilities. AI cameras assist forklift drivers in identifying personnel in blind spots and issuing warnings. Hikvision's vision-based AI algorithms also assist compliance monitoring for production safety. For instance, AI cameras check and remind about personnel protective equipment compliance. They also provide 24-hour protection in high-risk areas and warn against unauthorized entry risks. Hikvision's security gates and ESD turnstiles protect electronics from static electricity and interference, ensuring compliance at every step. Production efficiency is another top concern for manufacturing managers. Hikvision's workshop visualization management solution overcomes the inefficiencies of traditional on-site inspections. It makes the production process visible, traceable, and controllable. Compact, high-frame rate cameras enable detailed observation for production lines. And remote video inspection breaks spatial limitations, displaying workshop conditions before your eyes. Video recordings link to every aspect of the production line, enabling positioning and traceability within seconds. The AR workshop breaks data barriers, overlaying real-time data and visuals for improved clarity. The industrial digital signage display operational instructions, production data, safety reminders, and updates, seamlessly fueling an informed and proficient workforce. Hikvision's smart manufacturing solutions also transform factory operations with efficient, precise quality inspection methods. X-ray technology and AI algorithms detects hidden product defects automatically. AI-equipped smart cameras rapidly detect flaws with instant alerts, outperforming manual inspections. In terms of equipment maintenance, Hikvision uses video and IoT for predictive measures to avert operational downtimes. Thermal cameras maintain watch over equipment health and trigger alarm alerts for anomalies. Acoustic sensors locate equipment fault. Remote equipment inspection with video, sensors, and AI reduces on-site visits and amplifies effectiveness. In smart factories, digitalized systems for end-to-end people and vehicle management increase efficiency and security across the facility. Hikvision offers a single credential system to facilitate people flow through the plant. During commuting hours, the plant's turnstiles efficiently control access. Real-time access data is transmitted for attendance verification in the HR system. The same credential is used for seamless consumption in the canteen. In the production area, employees access work zones based on permissions. A single credential simplifies the process from entry to attendance, consumption, access, and exit. The efficiency continues with Hikvision's intelligent entrance and exit system, leading to end-to-end vehicle management. Digitalization streamlines vehicle appointments and inspections, shifting the process online. When a dock becomes available, waiting vehicles are called and displayed on a screen, maximizing efficiency and order. AI-equipped dock cameras intelligently manage vehicle queues at loading docks by monitoring occupancy and loading rates. Vehicle speeds are monitored within the plant to prevent risks. Vehicle weighbridge data during plant entry and exit now is also digitalized, enabling easy querying and retrieval. When vehicles exit the plant, ANPR barriers control vehicle access based on the license plate. Vehicle trajectory and records within the plant can be queried and traced after leaving. For the overall safety of the plant, Hikvision's smart manufacturing solution ensures centralized, visualized, and networked security management. A company with multiple plants can centrally manage personnel and vehicle access, video monitoring, and other operations in a command center. Operators in the plant's monitoring center use AR for intuitive and efficient video patrols of the plant. Hikvision's smart manufacturing solutions have been successfully implemented globally, benefiting clients in diverse industries such as electronics, chemical, automotive, and food processing. With Hikvision, the future of manufacturing safety and efficiency is not just envisioned, it is realized, setting a new industry benchmark for a smarter tomorrow.